Welcome back to the coding interview series. Today, we are tackling a very popular problem often asked in technical interviews, rotating a matrix by 90 degrees. We will focus specifically on how to do this in place, which is the optimal way to solve it. Let's first understand the goal. We are given an n by n two-dimensional matrix, which represents an image. Our task is to rotate this image 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. For example, if we look at the input matrix on the left, the top row becomes the last column in the output on the right. The most intuitive way to solve this is the naive approach. We can simply create a new empty matrix of the same size. Then, we copy the elements from the original matrix into their new positions in the second matrix. However, there is a catch. This method uses order of n squared extra space because we are allocating a completely new grid. In an interview, you will almost certainly be asked to solve this without using extra space. To solve this in place, meaning with constant order of one extra space, we need a trick. The rotation can be achieved by performing two simple geometric operations in sequence. First, we transpose the matrix, and second, we reverse the rows. Let's break these down. Step 1 is transposing the matrix. This means we convert the rows into columns. We do this by iterating through the matrix and swapping the element at index I, j with the element at index j. I notice that the elements on the main diagonal, like 1, 5, and 9, stay exactly where they are. Here is what the matrix looks like after the transpose operation. The first row, 1, 2, 3, has now become the first column. The second row is now the second column, and so on. We are halfway there, but the columns are currently in reverse order compared to our target. Now for step 2, reversing the rows. We simply take each individual row in our transposed matrix and flip it horizontally. The first element swaps with the last, working inwards. After reversing the rows, we arrive at our final result. As you can see, the matrix is now perfectly rotated 90 degrees clockwise compared to the original input. We achieved this without creating a separate matrix storage. Here is the clean implementation in Python. We define a function that takes the matrix as input. First, we use a nested loop to handle the transpose, swapping elements across the diagonal. Notice the inner loop starts from I to avoid swapping back. Then, we iterate through the rows one more time and reverse each one in place. Finally, let's analyze the complexity. The time complexity is order of n squared because we visit each cell twice, once for the transpose and once for the reverse. The space complexity is order of 1 because we modified the input matrix directly without using any auxiliary data structures. This is the optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.